One of our partner NGO is celebrating Happy Periods Day on 5th of February. The basic concept behind this is that if we celebrate Father's Day, Mother's Day and Friendship Day, then why not Happy Periods Day? And to take this initiative forward, India has just thought to interview random people out there to know what they think about periods. So what do you think, like, we should celebrate it? It should be made a national day or not?
It should be celebrated because it is one of the most important point for life, maybe for gents as well as ladies. So yes, it should be celebrated, and I would like to consider my point of view for this type of point actually. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to give any suggestion or want to give a message to the men out there who don't speak about this?
Actually, this is like one of the basic incident for a woman or lady. So I think it should be taken care very seriously for everyone, and to take a good step towards to get it resolved on real-time basis. So yes, to provide a different kinds of knowledge in between lady and gents, yes, it should be celebrated.
Do you go to the temple when you are on your periods?
No, I don't go to the temple. Actually, it is because due to our family tradition also, and there are so many hygiene problems also during periods. We should not go enter to the temples. Okay, and usually my parents and all used to say this.
So do you accept this?
No, I don't accept it. But if we see from our family tradition perspective, they used to say that you should not go to the temples during periods because it creates like some powers or something, but I don't accept it.
If you don't accept it, then what is the meaning of following it?
See, I'm just following my tradition, my culture, which is always, I'm just following like from 7th standard when I got my first period. So it is going like that itself. So I don't prefer to do it. See, I just want to give one message. During periods, just take care of your hygiene. Okay, and if you want to go to temple, you can go. You can prefer to go. Okay, don't be like me कि कि नहीं जा सकते हैं and all. मैं तो अपना family tradition follow कर रही हूँ. तो if you want to go, you can go. You can pray to the God. You can work in a kitchen. You can do everything, but take care of your hygiene. It should not affect anything.
Were you aware about the periods when you first got it?
Yeah, so I was aware about the periods. So exactly, I mean, I was like 15 or 16 year old. So then I know about that. But to know from my surroundings only. My mother never told me about this, but I know about that.
No, I was not at all aware when it happened for the first time. I still remember the day. I got very scared because my mother never informed me the same. So I was very scared. I was feeling कि आज मेरा बचपन छिन चुका है और मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनकम्फर्टेबल फील हो रहा था. कुछ दिनों तक मुझे स्कूल जाने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी हुई थी और मुझे लगा कि मुझसे कुछ छिन गया है क्योंकि मैं अवेयर नहीं थी और बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई थी. एंड बीइंग अ चाइल्ड दैट फीलिंग वाज वेरी वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल फीलिंग.
So do you think that mothers should educate their child about this?
डेफिनेटली जो मेरे साथ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ उसे मुझे मैं सब मदर्स को ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि उनको अपने बच्चों को फीमेल किड्स को पहले से बता के रखना चाहिए ताकि वो उस टाइम डरे ना और उस सिचुएशन को अच्छे से टैकल कर सकें. I would like to give this message to all the men and all the brothers that they should provide a level of comfort to all the females which are there in the houses so that they should not feel shameful about the same.
After interviewing the people, to our utmost surprise, what we got to know that out of 20, only 4 people stood up to speak about this. It is the real time that we push this stigma away.